Hi, my name is Mr. Medina. Today's objective for this video is to show you how to solve quadratic equations by using the square root property. Cómo utilizar la propiedad de la raíz cuadrada para resolver ecuaciones de segundo grado. The first thing that we have to notice para utilizar la square root property, fíjate, esta es la propiedad square root property. Sí, y se tiene que ver de esta manera. Like this, one of these two, para que se pueda resolver. Okay, if you notice this one, the first one, we're going to go ahead and solve it, and it looks exactly like that. All right, so what we need to do, and I'm going to take the square root property, size, okay, and then this is going to be right, 1, 7, 6, 4. By definition, dimensional number is written like that. Okay, so what I'm going to do by I. So I'm going to go ahead and write k, this turns into I, and the square root of 64 is 8, so it's going to be plus or minus 8i. Okay, that's it. That's how you solve that one. Okay, let's go ahead and do the second one. Let me just erase this first. Okay. Now, if you notice, this one doesn't look like that. So what I have to do, I need to divide by -6 from both sides, to take before I take the square root. So I'm going to go ahead and divide it by -6 both sides. This cancels, bring down x squared, negative by negative positive, 600 by 6 is 100. Take square root from both sides, right, plus or minus, the square root of 100 is 10. And that's pretty much your answer. Some teachers want you to separate the answers, so you can write this to x equals 10 and x equals negative 10. Okay? Alright, so that's basically how we solve this, the second one. Now we're going to go to the third one. But the third one requires a couple more steps. See how everything's on one side and become a 0, just like the way the standard form is. I need to, in order to use this property, one number has to, the x has to be by itself. So I have to move everything to the other side of the equation, and then I can take the square root. And that's what I'm going to do. So lo primero que vamos a hacer es restar 64. Subtract 64 from both sides. Cancel. 0 más negativo 64 me da negativo 74. Bring down 4k square. Ok, todavía no se puede sacar la raíz cuadrada porque se tiene que ver así, right? So what I need to do is divide by 4. Just cancel. And it leaves me with k square. And now here I got 64. So que me va a dar negativo 16. Take square root from both ends, both sides, I'm sorry. Okay. Plus or minus. Now remember I. It's gonna have to write, voy a sacar 4 y más que me guardé en paz. Okay. But remember that this right here, so you can see what I did. This, I did this part. Okay, so this square root negative 1 is really my I, and the square root of 16 is 4. Okay. Before we leave with this video, a couple of things I'd like to mention. Ciertas cosas que quiero decir. Some of you might ask me, well, when do you know when to use the square root property? ¿Cuándo sabes que voy a utilizar esta propiedad de la raíz cuadrada? Porque hay varios métodos que se pueden resolver. Well, the first thing that I do, if you notice, right? usar el primary property. Creo que no viene bx. Ninguna de estas dos. Una acá, right? Sola. Ni esta también.